Hi everyone. So in this video we are going to talk about the payment process for JSSC JE. I hope you have gone through the notification. 6th July is the last date to apply for this job and 8th July is the last date to complete the fee payment process. So in this video we are going to complete the fee payment process. If you have not applied the application for this job, it is very simple. You just need to go to the official website of JSSC. When you go to this website, you will get application form link in the important link section. You will get all the published requirement by the Jharkhand government. The third one is our required job role for JSSC JE JDLCCE 2023. You just need to click this apply now button. After that it will redirect you to the next page. If you have not registered for this job, you just need to create your account by clicking this to register. After that you just have to provide your required details, and after registration you will get your username and password. Using that you can log in and you can apply for this job. And after applying for this job, you need to complete the fee payment process. For that you just need to log in using your user ID and password. And after logging, you can see after successfully submission of your application, you will get this type of window that your application form has been submitted successfully. And after that you can make the payment. To make the payment you just need to go to the make payment section, and here you will get one link. You just need to click this, and after that you will get another link. To click this, and here in the search bar you need to search for Jharkhand, and here you will get Jharkhand Staff Selection Commission, okay, JSSC is the short form. So you just need to click this, and after that you have to select the requirement, means for which examination you want to make the payment. So in our case it is JDLCCE 2023. We have to select this, and after that we have to give our application number. So where do you will get your application number? Here in the application details section you will get your application number. You just need to copy this and you have to paste it here, and after that you can fetch the payment details. All your details will be come up, okay. And after that you need to provide your details like name, phone number, date of birth, email ID, and you need to uh, fill the captcha shown over here. After filling all the information, we just need to click this checkbox. If you want you can read this terms and condition. After that we need to fill this captcha, and after that we are good to go for the next step. After that you'll get your again payment details, the amount, what amount we have to pay. Again we have to click this next. Now you can select using which method you want to complete your process. You can use UPI ID as well. You can, if you want to use QR code, you can select this QR code button and you will get one QR. You can scan it, and after that using your phone pay or Google Pay you can pay the amount. So I just completed the payment process in my phone. After that you will get like your transaction has been successfully completed, and you can download the slip or you can print it. By following this step you can complete your payment process for JSSC JE 2023. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, then hit the like button. Thank you for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video.